Kensington offers mobile computing solutions that make the digital experience more productive and enjoyable in the office, at home, and for that matter, on the go. The Senior Global Product Manager for Kensington is Juan Rodriguez. Welcome into Tomorrow, Juan. How are you?
Thank you, Dave.
Or should I say,
time.
welcome, bienvenido, entra mañana.
Muy bien, muy bien.
Oh, that works.
Yes.
Okay.
Works great for me.
Tell me about what Kensington is showing here at CES.
Yeah, absolutely. You know, we're excited to be here back again. We've been here many years. For us, technology, the landscape of technology is it's a complex one. We think consumers are just overwhelmed by what they see every year. And our whole concept of Smart Made Simple, and that's what Kensington stands behind, is to really simplify that computer interface, whether it be portable devices as laptops or mobile devices as smartphones or any type of mobile devices that we're seeing out there from the big players. This year, we're really proud to sort of cover the range. Not only do we think about the consumer from a device perspective, but we also think about them from a point of view of where do they use their devices. Are they in the car? Are they at home? Are they at the office? We've learned through carefully observing the consumer that there's little nuances.
You're the one peeking through the window.
I am definitely the one, yeah. And I get caught very often,
Yeah,
which
really?
makes it a whole different story.
Yeah, that's true. But
Yeah.
from a marketing standpoint.
From a marketing standpoint, yeah, we get a lot of press beyond that.
Yes.
But it's fascinating to hear directly from the consumer. And from there's where we gain insight. One great example of one of our 2009 Innovation Awards is the product you have in front of you. It's we call it the Slim Blade Trackball. Now, trackballs have been around for quite some time. And actually, Kensington has been in the business for over 20 years. And it seems bizarre in this age of touch and all of that to bring into the market a trackball.
Yeah, I mean, frankly, I wouldn't have thought that a new trackball would be something so newsworthy, but it is because...
It is, and it's all about that magic red ball, right? So just as we've seen people being fascinated with using their fingers in touch, we realize that the ball itself has more than just a single functionality of cursor control.
So we don't mind that I'm holding the ball separately.
By all means.
Okay,
by all means. It actually shows a couple of things. It shows that, the ball, as you remove it, you're from the inside, you're able to see through it. That means any kind of debris that builds into the product, it just falls right to the desk.
And easy to wipe it clean if you need to. Yeah.
Exactly, absolutely. The other element is it's a really thin, if you hold up just the body itself, you'll see that's a really nice thin design. Obviously, thin has been in for the last couple of years from LCD manufacturers to accessory manufacturers, right? Making things nice, elegant, and stream. But what's interesting about that ball is that we brought many functions into it. We call it, it's all in the ball. And what I mean by that is you have not only cursor control, but now you're able to scroll. And if I can demonstrate that for you.
Sure. And for those watching on the video podcast or not able to yet, be sure
Yes.
and swing by our site and check it out with Juan's interview. You'll see Juan playing with the ball.
Absolutely. So in traditional cursor control, you'll realize that, right, people are familiar with this. But now what we've done, we know a lot of people scroll through the web every day. And all you have to do is essentially now rotate the ball on an equator motion. And from there, you get your full scrolling control, right? So no shift to any other types of buttons or any kind of other kinds of device. Right on the ball, you go from cursor to scroll. And we've gone one step beyond that. We know that people at home, for the most part, enjoy their computing experience, their media, their web surfing. So we built in some additional buttons into the trackball, and through a simple click of a button, now my ball becomes a volume control or a track control of different kinds of music.
I'm noticing that now. All around the ball, there are almost like mouse buttons that you would be used to doing, a left and a right, but there's also a top and a bottom and so forth.
Exactly.
And all of these are programmable for whatever we may want to do with them.
Well, we've actually programmed them right into so we want to make sure that people have the experience right out of the box, right? And we've given them that media function. We've given them that viewing function, so you're able to zoom in and out of your pages. You're able to control your media right from the ball without having to move your fingertips. Yeah.
That's very cool. Well, what's next then? What is Kensington working on that you can share with us? Some other items maybe slightly into tomorrow.
Well, you know, our focus is really around that mobile consumer. We got a couple of products as part of the innovation that people are already aware about. Our Liquid Aux product, which allows to integrate devices like iPods and iPhones into your car. as well as a whole Bluetooth hands-free. As you know, back in California, we have the law of having to operate without holding the phone into your ear.
Sure.
So hands-free, really up and coming. Our ET Visor product is out there for people to connect their Bluetooth and mobile devices into the car.
As always, great stuff from Kensington. Do check them out at kensington.com. We'll have a link to Juan's site and all of our guests here at CES when you visit intotomorrow.com or graveline.com. Juan Rodriguez from Kensington, thanks for joining us, and keep making cool stuff. We keep talking about them.
Fantastic day. Thanks for your time.
It's our pleasure.